Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, so first of all, they're two completely separate petitions, and some depends on where in the asylum you currently are. So you say your asylum is pending, so that would probably indicate you entered the country in some manner, you applied for asylum, and it's percolating along waiting to give you your interview, and during that time, you got married to a U.S. citizen. So the question then becomes if you qualify to adjust status. When you say, can someone file for self-petition at the same time, it's not a self-petition when you are married to a U.S. citizen. A self-petition, for example, is when you're married and your spouse beats you and you do a VAWA self-petition, okay, a Violence Against Women's Act, which both men and women can file. So it's filing for an adjustment. Now, in order to determine if you qualify for adjustment, I need to know exactly how you entered the U.S. Did you enter legally or illegally? Are you in court proceedings now? Because you might be saying your asylum's pending, but maybe that's because you're waiting for your next court hearing. So there are jurisdictional issues as to whether or not you can just file an adjustment. And then while you may qualify for asylum because you don't have to show legal entry, for adjustment you would. So you might have to do consulate processing, which would bring you eventually to the U.S. consulate in your home country, which of course you wouldn't want to go to because you're applying for asylum. So there are certain issues that need to be looked at in order to proceed forward. Now, assuming it's a bona fide marriage, and you were married for love and you qualify and don't need waivers and all of that, generally speaking, a marriage petition is considerably easier to get approved than asylum. So, I wouldn't withdraw the asylum at the present time, but I would go forward with the marriage petition, and the path to do that will depend on, some of the factors I've discussed. Okay.